Live on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. And stream, nope, let's go over here. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, Sog. Good morning, Christian. There's a lot of other people here. I'm not ready to roll yet. Let me see what this says. Aussie Trader. Good morning, Aussie Trader. All right. Where are we at? I have no idea. I am tired this morning. I have trading 621. Thumbnail. Select or upload. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I don't even know where I'm at. Is this the live? Channel content. Let's see. We're live. Yes. Let me go to on. Okay. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry. We are completely. Yep. I didn't think this was taken. I don't know why it's not taking it. Let's go over here to grab this. Control A, C over here. This B. Come back over to here. Show more. Let's see. We're going to show this. Show more. There we go. There's our tags. Let's go down here, see what our tags are. Control V. Stream location. Atlanta, Georgia. Beautiful flight to Ohio and back. Had a great vacation. I can't thank my sister and brother-in-law enough. Had a fantastic vacation. Both Bree and I just unbelievably fantastic vacation. Let me be clear on that. That is not what this is supposed to be saying here. All right, I think we're back. Let's see. Yep, looks good. Another buy stop forming, looks like again. Let me pull this over here. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, can you guys hear me on? Let's see. Can you guys hear me? Let me see if I have chat going. Scroll's going to see chat's up. It is. Yay. Good morning, LT. What's up, LT? Good morning, Guy Burger. Good morning, Botinator. Good morning, Dean Nice. What's up, peeps? Good morning, Jacob. Blue Tide Eclipse. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Philia. Where's all my women at? Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Can you guys hear me on YouTube, X, Facebook? We're going to get back to me coming on live. I'll be on live every day at 8 until we go back to St. Thomas again. We're taking another trip in like 9 days. No, I don't know exactly when, but within 2 weeks, maybe 3, within the month, we're heading back to St. Thomas. Maybe they can't hear me. Can you guys hear me on YouTube? It should be nice and clear. I don't know. I didn't change any settings. Yes, we can hear you. Oh, okay. You can hear me on It's My Morning, It's My Time. Jacoya Demi Niche. 15-second what? Welcome, Jacoya. I don't know what 15-second. I'll answer your question, but I don't know what you mean. If I don't read your question out loud, you have to join. wait, you have to email us, that's all. Yes, we can clearly, okay? I'm going to turn off my volume on both. And I want you guys to tell me if you can hear me. I know TikTok you won't. All right, here we go. Type out a 7 if you can hear me. Type out a 7 if you can hear me on YouTube. Type out a 7 if you can hear me on YouTube. This should be very funny. Orlando Walters can still hear me. That is not a good thing. Okay, what the fuck microphone AMD device? Really? Fuck. Default microphone. Hold on. Okay, you guys can hear me. That's fucked up. Hold on. Let's see. So it's, how can it not even be seen? And you guys said it was clear? What the fuck? Okay. When I plug in the microphone, what? Let me see. What in the heck? That is interesting. We are going to have to work on that, but evidently not this morning. Okay. Here we go. Type out yes if you can hear me. I'm back on TikTok, by the way. Type out yes if you can hear the microphone now. Type out yes if you can hear me now. Kirk Brown says loud and clear. Well, this is not good, Kirk. It means my microphone is picking up off the laptop. Ah, Bougie Pamunji. Is there a yes? Larry. Damn, you guys can still hear me. See? Fuck me. I have no idea what this thing's. And you can hear me clearly? So you can hear me off of my laptop microphone. Wow. Well, and it's clear, loud and clear. What the fuck? Larry said yes. This is weird. So my main mic, and you guys couldn't hear me off my laptop before when I was in, where were we at that time? Hell, I think it was St. Thomas you guys said you couldn't hear off of this. This is wild. Good morning, everybody. I don't know where we're at. Oh, we have to test. Okay, good morning. I know there's a lot of people here. And clearly, no fucking way. Well, isn't that weird? Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I missed a lot of you. I know I mentioned good morning. It was Blue Tide Acrylics. Good morning, Larry, again, and God bless. Good morning, Filio, again, and God bless. Good morning, Jason Roby, Orlando Walters, Guy Romero. What's up, Guy? All future millionaires. We're all working. I can't wait. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Botnator, Mr. Gold, Taraya Edwards. Yay, Taraya, you're holding up for our females. The only one here. Good morning, Martin Lewis. There's so many of you I missed. Sorry. Thank you for the feedback, everybody. Can you hear me now? That's funny. People are funny. Good morning, Ray Francis. Well, what the fudgicles? Missed you yesterday. Yes, Larry, but wasn't it easy? And I can't even get my dang gone account going again. It's like they kicked me out of I'll figure it out. But that's a lot of money that we got to get that shit figured out quick. my my MetaTrader 4 account uh, thing, or whatever they call themselves. You can clearly now. That song's in my head. Now kept thinking, nice, Mr. Gold. It has an echo to it. Oh, geez. Orlando Walter says it has an echo. Oh, fuck. Well, because it's running off of the one, I don't think there's anything I can do. I mean, echo cancellation is on. Noise suppression is on. Yeah, I don't know if I can help the echo. Oh, fuck. Well, anyway, we got to look for things. I don't even know where we're at, what's going on. Looks like there's a reverse coming. Let's pray it goes to the 30-second line this morning. All right, let's see what we shall see. There was an Uno reverse signal sent out from no echo. Oh, thank God, says LT. Thank you, LT. And there's that game mode. See, there's something fucking wrong with the system setup because the game mode never came on at my sister's house, my sister and brother-in-law's house. And I used one of their larger TVs. They had like a 55-inch. So something's up with this fucking large TV. Are you kidding me? Technology. It's supposed to be the same everywhere. No, it is not, Keith. Good morning, Keith. Hope Keith is sleeping. All right. US 30 alert was triggered. All right. Let's go over here. All right. I think the latest one was at 2:51 a.m. Uno reverse end. What? All right. I have alerts. Uno reverse start. Okay. I'm going to have to talk to Keith about this. What? At 2:36. I had a Uno reverse start email at 2:36 a.m. Oh, fuck. I don't know which. How do I know which one that was on, Keith? Oh, fuck. I was excited about this, but not so much anymore. Let's see. 2:36 a.m. We need at a.m. 2 a.m. 9 forex time. So something 9. Let's go to a 30-second. Let's go to a 9. If we can even get back that far. All right. At what time? 9:36. All right. So here, oh boy, how am I supposed to find this? Oh, didn't he say it was showing up now? Let me see if I can go back here. Sell stop to the 15-second blue line. Oh my, we have to go back on the 1 second? Oh, geez. 9:30. Oh boy. Well, we'll give this a go. 9:36. remember him saying it should show up on the screen. I hope he's sleeping though. I really don't want him up. There it is. There it is. There it is. Okay, this is the end. Oh my! He put the end in. Well, start. No fucking way. Look how good Keith is. Oh boy, here we go. Let's go to the how do I mark this? Keith is so fucking good. Let's go here. And what is this one? This is US 30. Yes. Let's go over to US 30. And no, no, no. Let's stay right here. And let's go back to US 30. Is this it? 936. Oh, look at that Uno reverse. Bingo, boppo, bango. My God. Keitha Rooney. Now we have to take into account 936. So 936. So 936. And that's today. Yes. June 4th. 930. So now I have to go over to this chart. Yep. And now we need to go to the 1 second. And let's go to 936. Oh boy. At least they all match. I'm so excited. This is going to work. He thought he had it figured out. I bet you he does. He even has the beginning and the end for you guys. How freaking cool is that? Oh, this is going to take forever. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I'm not ignoring everybody. Good morning, everybody. Missed you yesterday. Missed you guys too a little bit, but not really. No, it was a travel day. We had by the time you fly to Ohio and come back, it is literally like an hour and 7 minutes in the air. You get up and you come back down again. It is the wildest, coolest, nicest, easiest flight ever. Oy, oy, oy. How long is this going to take? Maybe I can go up to the 5 seconds and then at least 5 times my time here. Shoot, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, flying to Wowzer. It was awesome there. We went to Cedar Point. I was scared shitless on quite a few different rides. Some kind of steal something was fucking insane. Glow told me it was an old roller coaster. Well, they did too, actually. But they repurposed it or redid it. They call it steel and it's made out of wood. I call that false advertising. $936, $938 here. Okay, so let me go back to this. Let me go. There it is. Okay. Oh my goodness. Yep. Perfection on the call. Perfection on the call. Uno reverse would have triggered on the 5 second, right? It should have showed the 5 second. But I don't know which 2 out of the 3. Well, they all went up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, okay. Look at it go. Yes, it caught it. So now I need to know, Keith, I need to know execute. Yep. We need to know, need to know which symbol and is it what interval? So is it 5 second? Well, let's say it's 10 second. Yay, but I think we got our first legit correct Uno reverse. Yay. No, LT, you are not supposed to get the email. That's why we're testing this with me. But it does mean that your free thing is going to be over with very, very soon. Hopefully by the end of the week. And then we'll upgrade you to the actual one. Good morning, wishing, praying. Good morning, GB. Good morning, Lachey. God bless you all, everybody listening. This is great. Yeah, this is fucking awesome. It did exactly what it was supposed to do. It called it exactly like it was supposed to do. Look at all those pips you would have got. This is when you called. Wow. Like, I can guarantee you what wasn't up there at that time. That was US 30. Look at all those pips you would have made on US 30. Let me see if I can make this a 10-second. Wow, this is fun. We're going up, so it has to be this one. Oh, it started back over to. Really? Yeah, it did. I should probably just skip it and go to 15 seconds because by the time I do this, it's going to be there anyways. Yeah. Two nine. Da, 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 da. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, so it called it here. It went straight up to the other blue. Oh my goodness, look at that shit. Yeah, baby. Keith, I think you did it. And let's see over here on US 30. Ha 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 ha. Holy shit, we got the base of a huge run. Oh, that is amazing. And it called it like that. It called it off. It must have been the 5 second because he doesn't read the 1 second. That's just our setup. So he called the ES1 15-second. Good morning, K9. Well, we might have our first legitimate call. Yay, thank you, Keith. How cute. All right, let's head over to here. Let's do this. Let's do that. Let's go to safety trade. Let's find us. I don't know how you people can't find safety trade. You really must know how to do this. There we go. All right, peepee weepies. Is there any news today? Let me go back out of here. Put my timer on. If there's any news today, please let me know so I don't have to waste fucking time. Didn't I? There we go. Wow. Yes, there is. What is the news, D Nice? Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Grant. Orlando Walters. Looks like it's US 30. Yeah, it was for all of them. By the way, it all went up. LT says no news. Oh, so there is no news then. I only like CPI. I only like NFP. That is the only news I actually, and FOMC, but I'm rarely trading at 2 o'clock. So demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. I am not a financial advisor. Da, da. Good morning, Fletch. All right, I have no idea where I'm at with anything. All right, let's do a run through, see what we got going on. All right, what do I see? What do I see? What do I see? 1 second. Buy stop to the blue line. ES1. NAS. Let's get some ding, ding, dings going here. Let's get some money. Let's get, oh, we're already doing it. Jeez, oh, Pete, it's already moving up. Give me a second so I can at least set my alerts in place. Damn. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line, all indices. Let's see if we got the, why isn't my alert going off? Why is my alert not going off? There we go. Come to Papa. There you go. There you go. I don't know if you guys can hear. There you go. Oh yeah. Now you can hear it. Now you can hear it. We had touchdown on US 30 thing. Okay, let's keep going. 5 second. Buy stop to the blue line, US 30. Here's some more dings coming up. Quick. I'm calling them quick. There you go. There you go. ES1. Let's see. Above, 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 below, 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 above. Buy stop. SPX back to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop alert. US 30 back to the buy stop alert. 10-second blue line. 15 seconds above. 30-second. 30-second. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm not calling 30-second sell because we don't play sells. We're only playing buys. 5-minute buy. 5 minute, 7-minute buy stop. Love the trade. A lot of dings coming our way. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. You can see where I'm putting in my take profits. I'm not calling them out because I'm having Kim get a break here, so I don't have to call out so many dang on. There we go. US 30 in the money. US 30 in the money. Told you there's no drawdown. For all just stealing my signals, please buy support something. I'll just go away and do it. So go ahead and buy. What are these graphs? Nope. What's up, Emerson Jose? Thank you, LT. Morning, Fletch. Emerson, welcome. What are these graphs? These are just graphs. Interesting way of looking at it. These are charts for trading. Very simple, very easy. Stick around, you'll learn it. 7-minute buy, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 45. For me, setting you up on those buys at open, by the way, was fantastic. And then, well, you can clearly see what you're at now. I can't get into my fucking account. Well, I'll talk to them later. 4-hour, 5-hour, 7-hour. Okay, let's head on over and call out gold. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Aussie Trader. All right, we're going to go to gold next. Always a buy, by the way. There's nothing. It's never not a buy. Let's see what we can get you in, though. Gold is a permanent buy. So is demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. So is US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, and gold. They're all permanent buys. All right, gold. 5 second. What's up going down to gold? 5 second. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line gold. 10 second. Buy stop gold to the 10 second. US 30 is crossing. US 30 is crossing. NAS is crossing. NAS is crossing. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on US 30. You're in the money on gold. Thank you. One. You're in the money on SPX1. You're in the money on ES1. You're welcome. There's no drawdown on those calls. You can clearly see them freedom up. You're very, 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 very welcome on those calls. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. All in the money, all in the money. ES1 in the money already, SPX1 in the money already, NQ1 in the money, NAS in demo money, YM1 in demo money, US 30 in demo money. And we also have gold being called out right now. Gold is going to its 10-second blue line. Buy stop. Gold to the 10-second blue line. There is a 30-second sell on gold. 30-second sell on gold to the 5-minute blue line. I'm not calling that. We only play buy stops on gold until further notice. It's a permanent buy. 45-minute buy stop on gold. Take profit one, 33,000. Probably one day it will be. 3,358. Take profit two, 3,377. 1 hour buy stop on gold. It's already been completed, but we're still going to call that other one 5 hour. Now let's go up to where the real money is. Daily. Daily buy stop on gold. Even though they just came out, said Uruguay found the most gold ever in the history of the world, supply and demand doesn't control price. What controls price is the people behind the scenes. That's what controls price of gold, not supply and demand. Am I clear on that? There could be nothing truer. Let me see if I can find that email for you. Hold on. Hold your horses so you guys can get a good motherfucking laugh at this. Watch this shit. Let me see. I'll find it. It's going to take me a minute. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. This was on somewhere around May 27th. Here's your watch this one so you guys can get a good motherfucking laugh. Hold on. Da, 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 da. Huge gold. All right, let's open this up. Now, this is how you know the news and everything you've always been taught about trading is a bunch of BS. Because here it is. Just happened, I don't know, a few weeks ago. They just didn't, whatever. I have no idea. There you go. You see what it says? On 525. Oh, we got more money. Geologists have discovered the largest gold, silver, and copper deposit in the last 3 decades, worth over 337 billion. Argentina. It's in Argentina. Yet this headline on this date right there, from that time forward, when they discovered the largest in 3 decades, price of gold is gone. You explain it. It makes 0 sense on supply and demand. Told you. ES1 is making money, by the way. Let's go to ES1. We're waiting for gold on the weekly to redo it, by the way. So ES1, 10 second, 15 second, all in the money, all called out live. Please, everyone knew about the system. Thank you, Larry. So bullshit, bullshit, bullshit. Here's another example of the news being full of shit. Okay. You come over to here. Technical data. News matters. Where the hell's the news one at? Here's one. News. I don't care. Yet another example of BS news. Argentina discovers largest gold, silver, copper deposit in 3 decades. You would think the supply, that is, what day was this? May 25th, 2025. And gold goes up. So much for supply and demand, so much for supply and demand. People are meant. You guys listen to the news and believe it. You are bonkers, and not just on this stuff, on everything. Yeah, okay. Right. People are just weird. There is no way in hell you should be trusting the news. Price is going up on all these indices because the system is calling up for it. Because why? Let's be clear on this. The old ways of trading fell over 99%. Not the news, not technical data. None of it matters. Nothing. Price goes up and down solely because the market is manipulated. They are not leaving $7.2 trillion a day profit to chance. They know where it is going. This is my opinion. And so do we, thanks to the system. This is my humble opinion. If I can spell opinion right. Opinion. Okay. Period. You tell me if you would leave $7.2 trillion a day to chance. No, you would not. The old ways we were taught to trade, I think they taught us wrong on purpose. Support and resistance does not work. Let me be clear. Volume, VWAP, block trading, RSI, Bollinger Bands do not work. You do not combine them with my system. My system is flawless on its own, works perfectly. Hope I am clear on that. I am not stuttering. These are my opinions, and that's what I'm telling you. If you don't like it, leave. I don't give 2 fucks if you like it. Okay? I'm telling you the fact. They manipulate the market. End of story. I'm not discussing it. Crazy. They find the largest deposit of gold and price goes straight up. And that ain't the first time they've done it. It just keeps going up. Look, it's just like US 30 as SPX. Crazy. Thank you, Bob. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, Argent Luna. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Good morning, Lazarus. Jaquoy, Demi, Nichelle. I'm so sorry I'm slaughtering her name. Good morning, Demi. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader. It's my time. Good morning, it's my time. Good morning, Luke and D Nice and Sog and Joe Big and Annie Apple and the Griffey. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. All right. It's my time. It's now or never. Da 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 da. What's up, Demi? Sorry, Jacoya. I mispronounce everybody's name. It's a horror show. All right. So now that we know gold isn't doing what gold's supposed to be doing because it just went up like it's supposed to do, because I called it. Let's keep going. Let's roll on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. First of all, my system calling it correctly. Let's take a look. Yep. Sell, 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 sell. Looks like somewhere between the 15-minute and 30-minute. Yep. Sell stop to the 30-minute blue line. I'm not calling it officially. You guys do with that as you want. To the 90-minute blue line, to the 1-hour blue line. Bitcoin can drop all at once. We're looking at a 5-hour buy stop on Bitcoin, 7-hour buy stop on Bitcoin, 9-hour buy stop on Bitcoin, 10-hour, 12-hour. 10-hour buy stop Bitcoin. Let's take a look. 106,971. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. 109,000. Take profit 3. 112,000 going to 115. 120,000. Remember back when Bitcoin was in the 80,000s recently, I was calling out Bitcoin to go to 120,000. Just remember who tells you that and keeps you calm during the storm of these trades. I'm the voice of reason. I tell you where it's going. Thanks be to God. God gets all the credit. That's Bitcoin. XRP will be the exact same thing because they all do the same thing. Let's go to the 10-hour buy stop, the 12-hour. There is a sell. I see that. I don't care. We go to the 30 minutes. See if we can get it to the 30. We can. Buy stop to the 30-minute blue line XRP, $2.27. 45-minute. Buy stop to the 45-minute. I'll get to your question in 1 second, Larry. Let me add that to that. There you go. There you go. XRP to the 45-minute blue line, XRP to the 90-minute blue line, XRP to the 1-hour blue line, $2.28. Yeah, buy stop XRP to 228, easy peasy. Now, after that, there is a 5-hour sell. I don't care. You guys do with that what you want. The reason we go with the flow of the river, baby, the flow of the money river. Buy stop XRP, as I keep telling you, it's a weekly. It's going back to its orange line, as I told you it would. $2.50-ish, give or take a few cents. That's where it's going. Then XRP is going to $3, $3.50, $4. XRP. Ethereum. Ethereum is going back to, and already has hit where I told you it was going multiple times, $3,000, $3,300, $4,000. That's where XRP is going. I'm sorry, where Ethereum is going. Just take the money and run, no big deal. Let's see. Let me go over and answer. Hey, Coach, how far do I think NAS is going past all-time high? All right, let's take a look. We're going to go to NAS. We're going to go to what a weekly. Okay. How far above NAS's all-time high do I think it's going to go? I don't know and I don't care. My system is flawless, but it has its limits. What it does is it tells you where it's going exactly. And then when we get into all-time highs, I don't have a clue. I can guarantee you, though, that it's going to be going up until US 30 hits 48,815, which was, how many pips away is this one from now? Because it's already gone up hugely since I last called it. 1,200. So about 1,000 more pips. So in that case, you have probably about 500 to 600 more pips to go up. Let me see where it's at though currently, and I can give you a little more accurate. Yeah, it's going to go up at least 300 to 200 to 1,000 pips above its all-time high. Somewhere in that range is where I see it going, and probably a good bit more than that, to be honest with you. What's up, 8 Ball? When you say weekly, do you say it's going to, good morning, 8 Ball? No. Buy the system so you can learn, or go back and rewatch some of the trades so you can learn, either or. No, when I say weekly, we're on weekly charts. When I say it's going to go up to the orange line on US 30, I mean over several weeks, if not several months. It takes a long time for these to develop. Matter of factly, some of the 3 months I call out can take years. And no, my gaming console is not on. I swear to goodness. Da, 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 da. I didn't have an Xbox. Well, I had an Xbox. So no, to answer your question, absolutely 100% not. That is not what we're talking about. Either buy the system or learn. Okay, God bless. And yes, the system is flawless. It is, but it does have its limitations. And the limitation is that we can't tell how high it's going to go ultimately. That's why we have runners. We leave the runners open and they just run, run, run. Bippity boppity boo. All right. Questions? Happiness? Aussie Trader buy the system. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Where I renew my prescription to the safety trade. Right over here. You renew it right here. What's up, EA? You might want to do it soon. We have the update coming. Oh, geez, I really got to take care of that. This is the safetytrade.com. You can buy the system right here, learn about it right here. Good morning, Kim Bernard. What's up, Kim? Please keep Kim in your prayers, but and also keep several other people in your prayers from our group. Matter of fact, Father, we come in Jesus' name, ask your healing blessing, truly your healing blessing upon each and every one of our members that need it, whether it's a member's brother, whether it's a person specifically. We ask your blessing upon Kimberly H. from our group, Keith P. from our group, my entire family, had a recent death in the family. Thank you for healing up me and my beautiful wife, Bree, keeping us healthy, letting us grow closer as a couple always. Thanks for keeping us safe in our travels to Ohio and back and having such great memories on those travels. And then while we were there, thank you so much for those memories. Please let us keep those at the forefront of our mind. And please let each and every one of the people hearing my voice right now be able to understand what I'm trying to teach them so that they can become consistently profitable traders using my system. In Jesus' name we pray these things. Amen. Can you please look at PLTR? You're welcome, EA8551. Missed you around here. I'm glad you've been back. PLTR. Sure. Let's take a look at PLTR. PLTR. Palantir Technology. Yeah, we looked at this before. Let's see what it's been calling out recently. Can my system read it correctly? Only system on earth that tracks every trade, that I track every trade. And no, the god dang, gosh darn system is still doing this. Give me just a second. Do, 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 do. Aha. I turned off notifications. But I hope it doesn't turn off the notifications coming from thing. I don't think it will. Okay, back to what we were doing. All right. She wants PLTR. Well, I don't know what was this callback. I called on 12/2 demo only. I stopped. I'll take profits at too late. Should have listened to me, guys. Thought of my funny. Okay. What is this? Daily? Am I on daily? What am I on? Yeah. Daily, weekly. There was a daily buy. I'm too funny. There was a weekly buy. There's nothing to be had here. It's too late. 3 week. You're too late. Yeah, like I told you back then in December, you're too late now for sure. There's nothing to take. It's all buys, nothing to do. Yeah, it's too late. It's too high. It's just too late. That's all. Let me see. Oh my God, it still did it. Damn. Da 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 da. Oh my gosh. Good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. That is PLTR. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Gaming mode off. Jeez, oh, Pete. You don't want that. All right, I'll leave that here. And let's go back to here. So that was a no call because it's already been too high and there's nothing to be had. Good thing I listened to the Peloton call and bought $40 demo leaves. Nice. Nice on you, Kirk Brown. You're welcome, Kim. Good morning, Cheryl Stafford. We have about 5 women. I can't believe this. Out of 60 people, we need more women base here. Do you think you might ever automate systems so auto trading can occur? Absolutely, CR. The answer to that question is a strong yes. We are currently working on automating the system. It'll be done within the year, Lord willing. Everything goes according to plan. We've been traveling a lot. But yes, the system will be automated. We have robots coming. It's going to be very, very specific, and it's going to be very, very expensive. If you are not in my signal group or in my sniper, when I come out with the automated system, the robots, you guys will be paying through your fucking ass for this, for the automation. If you're in the signal system, by that I mean you'll probably just pay a couple $100 a month, period. like who's ever in the Signal automated, if you're a Signals group and you're paying the $350 a month, you'll pay nothing for the gold automation robot. You'll pay nothing for the uh, NAS robot or the SPX robot or the US 30 robot. That'll be coming within the next 6 months to a year, probably a year. If you're not in my Signal group, 350, or if you're not in the Sniper, 250 a month, you'll be paying thousands of dollars a month. It is amazing, isn't it, Kirk? So yeah, when we come out with the gold bot, the minimum price for the automated gold bot, and I don't care what they're trading because it's going to be based on size accounts, somewhere in the neighborhood of minimum. If someone had a very small account, I'll go down to probably 700, 750 a month for the bot. More likely, you'll be paying 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 a month every month. People are like, you can't charge that. Well, if you're winning consistently, I guess I can. If there's never a miss, I guess you can. Raise your hand if you're in the system hand thing. That's funny, Bob. Yep, absolutely, it'll be automated. Kind of already is. See, I'm a little confused on how automation you guys want to do, because when you look at our Signal service, it is automated. We send out the fucking alert to you. It's a trade. It's an open trade. Let me go over here. I was looking at these with my with someone in my family recently, and I laughed so hard because one of the symbols I was looking up was Hilton, and I looked up the wrong Hilton. I'm like, why did they call the wrong symbol? This could be wrong. And Hilton actually kicked ass. And yep. So it's semi-automated already. Let's put it that way. It sends out these alerts automatically to you guys. Sorry, you guys have to actually fucking click the fucking button. I swear to God, people are so fucking lazy in this. Oh yeah, I paid LT for a gold robot that didn't work back in the day. My brother and I, we paid $5,000 for a robot that didn't work. Yeah, we're going to be giving it away to everybody in the tier 3 Signals for $350 a month for free. You'll get all the robots as they come out for free. Yep. Let's go ahead and write that down. Let's answer the questions. First of all, it's already semi-automated. You guys just have to hit click a button, but whatever. None of you like to do any kind of fucking work whatsoever, you lazy asses. Will the system ever be automated? He means fully automated, but I know what he means. So yeah. Okay. Yes. And I would say 1 year. Cost free if you're in the 350 a month. And you can't do it afterwards. Let me be clear on that. You're not going to be able to join the Signal 350 Signal room after. You will not be able to join tier 3 after it comes out. So if you're not in it, if you're not in tier 3 when release, or the Sniper when release, you will be paying full price, which will be, I'm telling you, I'm just going to say $1,000 a month is going to be low. for each robot. Meaning, gold, NAS, SPX, NQ1, right? ES1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to have a bot, by the way, Bitcoin bot. Any of those, like, right? Will be 1K for each bot. I hope that makes sense. Or more. More likely or more a month. So either you're in it and you're going to save yourselves thousands of dollars a month or not. I don't give two fucks. Whatever, you don't have to buy it, you don't have to have it, you don't need to have a bot. But when I automate this system and it's going to be a 90% or better win rate, well, I hope a lot better, you guys are going to be either very, very happy for supporting me all these years or not. Trust me on that shit. Oh, that's good. All right. Does anybody have any questions over the robot coming? The Holy Grail trade still won't fire. I swear to God, everything has to be perfect for that trade. Whatever. We've come a long way since then. It will change your life. Thank you, Kim Bernard. Can I buy it now as I have the safety trade system? You cannot. What's going on? Hold on 1 second. I'll get back to the question. 30 seconds. Oh, it's just dipping. That's fine. Cool. Need to pull back. Oh, to the 30. So we're about to see the robot. We're about to see the Uno reverse, which is one of the steps to the robot, actually. We're about to see the robot, the wonderful robot of Oz. We're down to the 30-second blue lines on each. Yay, when these flip, we should get an alert when these flip. Hold on, hold on. Uno reverse update, start. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold your horses. No, it's not right. Oh, damn. No, it has to wait for the 1 second flip. Jeez. Oh no. Oh no. Dang on it. It only caught, that's not the start of it. That's not the start of it. That's not the start of it. That's not correct. Not correct. Dang on it, Keith. You're close. What's today's date? 6/4/20. Damn it. Nope. He has the catch of the 30-second. That's not the start of it. That's it. Well, it kind of technically is the start. Well, I don't know. That's his reset point. But no, he has to wait for the 1 second to flip to green now and then the 5 seconds. Fuck. Let me make a little message to him. Maybe I can do that. Hold on. Good morning, Keith Rooney. What's up, monster? It is today, well, the 4th, whatever, you got the date. It is around 8:15. The alert came on when the 30 seconds all turn red. You see that? But the problem comes in, that's the only the reset. Now we have to wait for the 1 seconds all to turn, of course, and then the 5 seconds, the 3 out of the 5. Getting close, though. Talk to you soon. God bless. All right, so that's Keith Rooney. Just documenting so we have that. Bam. Logicals. All right. Damn. Seemed like it caught the earlier trade correct, but that isn't the right time. That isn't the right time. Fuck. Anyway, we'll come back to that. What was asking? GB gold demo trade hit 10-minute blue line. Thank you. Oh, yay, GB. Congratulations. Nice. Congratulations. No, not a big dump. Silly. It's a tiny little movement. Nothing movement. All right. We were looking. Do you think you ever automate? Yeah, let's go back to that one. All right. And 1 year, give or take, cost free. If you're in the 350 a month tier 3, you'll not be able to join the tier 3. So in other words, either you're in it before it happens, whenever that may be, or not. If you're not, then that's yours. $1,000 a month will be the lowest for each robot. Meaning, yeah, they have to be separate bots. There's too many pips differential and tick differential, whatever wording you want to use, and too many stop loss differentials. Each bot is going to have to be separate. There's no way you can combine bots. Zero chance of that. But yeah, what you're witnessing is the right now with these different trackers, the trade tracker, part of the bot AI, I guess you call it, the code, and then also part of the Uno reverse that you're seeing now is going to be part of the code for obviously NAS, SPX, US30, ES1, NQ1. Yeah. And does that mean you'll be able to automate and have an automated get you funded trader? Yes. You'll be able to use these to get funded trading. Absolutely. Of course you will. Will it be demo trades only? Yep. Demo trades only. Does that mean you can do with that knowledge anything you want to do? Of course you can. Oh. Oh. What's up, Damien? I'm trying, sir. The tier 3 is a lot. I am trying, sir. Yep. Now remember, if you want to do tier 3 by itself, you can. Or you can go ahead and do the sniper by itself. You can. Feel free to do either. Okay. Is there any questions over the upcoming robot, the Bree-bot, the gold Bree-bot? Might call it the NAS Bree-bot, the SPX Bree-bot, the NQ1 Bree-bot, 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 Bitty-bot, Bitty-bot, Boo-bot. Yeah, I forgot somebody gets a free thing for that. Hopefully I meet with Keith over this by this time next week, and we have crypto edition released, which will be strictly crypto. We'll have the gold, silver edition released. And then instead of working on the funded trader, I'm going to flip over to the bot. I'm going to go straight into the bot. We've already been working on the bot. That's what I just explained to you. Oh. No questions? Bebop, ba-doo-bop, bebop, to-doo-bop, bebop. All right. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Cool. All right. No questions? It is a lot. but hopefully it'll pay off for you guys and you guys get to make shit tons of money with it. Now, good, we're getting a reset. Let's see if we're going to go down to the 3 minute. Let's go over here and see. Here we want to go. Let's go over to 3 minute. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm not. Okay, there is a sell stop to the 3 minute blue line. I'm not going to call any take profits on those. Do that as you please. I'm going to go over here to a 5 minute. It's not even a 7 minute, really. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 90 minute. Boy, we need to come down a lot more than this. 90 minute buy, all indices that we trade. 2 hours, 3 hour. Yeah, we're too far away in the 4 hour. That's why you're following. 4 hour, not really. Weekly. No. It's just a buy. Play a buy on US 30, demo trade only, and then of course on all the other 5 indices, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. They're all buys. It's just a little pullback. I would take advantage of this if you can. Let me pause something for a second here. How do I take away this? There we go. Let me hide that question. Let me go over to here. I'm going to pause something for a second. Okay. You guys can still hear me on demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Hold on just a second. Hold on just a second. Technically, we should be able to stay here. Okay, I'm going to put you on over here. I don't know if I should or shouldn't. Hold on, little doggy. Hold on. Now I have to go over to here. Good luck. I have to find a picture that I took, I don't know when, through 11,000 different pictures. How the hell? Oh my goodness. How in the heck am I supposed to be? Someone said there was no news. Oh my goodness. How am I supposed to be finding this picture? Take any buy you can find, 1 second through up. Until further notice, this had been back in January. Log in. Oh my goodness, November maybe. Let's go forward. Let's go from October maybe. Oh, all right, let's pause it again. I'm going to pause you guys again just for a second. Okay. And let me. Oh, no. Oh, no. Are you kidding? I didn't show the password. I saved the password, but I didn't show the password. Are you kidding me? Oh, no. I'm going to have to reset my password with Hugo's Way to get back in. That cannot be happening. Hold on, peeps. Sorry. Isn't that funny? I found it that easy, but then it wasn't the right thing. Are you kidding me? Hold on. Hold on. Here's some more. On. That is to the password. Setting password sucks ass. That is to the password. Boy. Eight. Man. When they updated their, oh, wait, is this cat box? Morning, good morning, good morning. Give me a second. Oh, fuck. Let me go back to resuming the live. All right, I'm back on TikTok. How is it not remembering? Gosh darn. Fuck. 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 Double fuck. All right, I'm back. Damn. I'm going to leave this open to here so we can get back to it. Let me, So that's what that looks like. I think y'all made money. Hold on. Did it keep going down? Did it flip? I'm sure it flipped. 30 seconds. See, we should see a reset now, that we should get another email, by the way. How do I find? Dan, I'm talking about a needle in a haystack. Good morning, Keith. I think Keith just emailed me. Good morning, Keith Aruni. Why do I take so many thousands of pictures? Buy stop, planning 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy stops on all the indices. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Go back to that. This is it. Why won't it let me in my freaking account? You're going to make me reset my password. Fuck. Oh, the trade should start up. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. On it. Whatever. Where are we at? Oh, okay, okay. NQ1 is starting to, okay, so now we see NAS and NQ1 starting to flip. Oh, should be an alert, Shouldn't there be alert? There should be alert. Yeah. Oh, it's the 1 second. Fuck. Let's go down there. 5 second, 5 second, 5 second. Let me see US 30. 1 second. Yeah, buy stop to the 1 second blue line US 30. Now we should see an alert. We should see an alert. 5 seconds. Come on, everyone. Well, we don't need to pray, but everyone hope that we see a 5 second 3 out of 5 switch. We want them to turn green. This is what needs to happen. The 1 second. Why is this way over here? The 1 seconds all need to turn green, and then we need these 5 seconds to start to turn green. Please, we need 3 out of the 5. 3 out of the 5. Come on. So now, is it going to trigger because those are there or not? Eesh, that's an interesting question. Y'all need to be green on the 1 second. Come on, we need this to happen. Game mode turned on by your game. There is no gaming console, you dumb mother. Good morning, Keith. Ah, come on. We need them all to flip. Don't be doing boot douches. Oh, there he is. Good morning, Keith. No alerts on the one side. I know. Good morning, Keith Palmer. Everyone here should be saying a huge thank you to the great Keith Palmer, the man in the middle. He's the one that codes all these indicators for us, takes my mind and puts it on this shit. I don't know how he does it, but he does it. And this Uno reverses is gorgeous. Oh, come. We'll see it before 10:30 this morning. I hope we see it before 9:30. I got to go right away at 9:30. Yep. Everyone should be thanking Keith. Good morning, Aussie trader. Oh, God bless Keith. God bless Keith. God bless Keith. Should be a chant from you guys. Oh, come on. We're going to have to wait. I'm too bored to wait. All right. Damn it. Keith, can't we just force it to turn green? Yep. Don't forget about Bree. She's the one that deals with a lot of your guys' silliness. Putting it as nicely as I can. Ugh. Yep. Keith's the coder. Bree answers shit tons of your emails. I just make the call outs. That's all. God, we have to wait. I don't want to wait. What time is it? Hopefully, I don't have to wait about 45 minutes. Oh, I'm so excited. Hit the 30-second. But look, sell stop to the 1 minute blue line. NAS and where are we at? NQ1. Let me see NAS real quick in 1 minute. Yeah. Sell stop NAS to the 1 minute blue line. Sell stop NQ1 to the 1 minute blue line. Instead of going green like I want it to, we're going to have to let these cells play out. This is going to turn to red right here. Those two are going to turn red. These two right here and here. Ah, geez. Make me wait even further. Fine. Well, when the reverse does happen, I'm removing all those emails. Then I don't need to hold those. I'll wait for it. It's going to send another email out, right, Keith? Hopefully. My one desire. Okay, that was odd. Why didn't my alert? Oh, my alert did go off. Day 27, 8:30 of 9:20 is excellent. All right. Good morning, Ken. Could never forget about me. Absolutely not. Blessings to Keith. Amen to that. Bit Miller. Thank you. So, yep. Kirk Brown. Good morning, Keith. Yep. Could never forget about you. Yep. Good morning, Ken. Oh, 75 of you. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. I am waiting not patiently over here. If you turn off 30 minutes, you'll see more alerts. If you turn off the 30 minutes, oh, okay. I think I have one. Otherwise, it has to be green. I think I have one of these turned on and one of them turned on. Right. I have one turned on the required 30-minute and I have one turned off the US 30. I have watching water boil, or watching paint dry. Either or, we're screwed. There we go. 1 minute blue line has been hit by US 30 and NQ1. They both turned red. You're welcome for that sell, even though I don't trade them. Next up will be the 3 minute. Let's see the 3 minute over here. Oh, I don't know if we're going that low. Let's hope not. Yeah, I don't know about that. Of all the ones that will go down, it'll be US 30. Good morning, Erica. Thank you, Bree, says Cheryl Stafford. Thank you for thanking my wife. All right. Fudgicles. And fudgicles some more. I am really not happy about. I gotta wait. Fuck. All right. Take any 1 second buy stop, 5 second buy stop, or 10-second buy stop you can find before the 9:30 open. Hopefully they drop this all the way down like they always do, repeating themselves, repeat until the market open, which they should then turn it up. Okay. I'm going to go flip around then and start looking for other things. Someone, if you can possibly tell me if you have the Uno reverse, when the 1 seconds flip to green, I would really appreciate that. My one desire. Thank you, Ace Bullet, for thanking Bree for everything she does for us. Trust me, remember, without Bree, the system wouldn't even be here. She's the only one who believed in me. She said, I've never seen anybody work as hard as something. It has to succeed. And boy, she believed in me when no one else did in my family. Yeah. So thank you, my beautiful wife. She's more beautiful on the inside than she is on the outside, and she's gorgeous. I'm texting Keith while he's messaging me, while I'm messaging him while he's texting me. Nothing can go wrong there. All right, let's go on. I want to call out a few of my other ones I haven't called. Well, I did call a couple days ago, but let's call them again. All right, we've already called out US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1, gold, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum. Let's go on to Nike. Can my system magically read Nike like a freaking book? Yeah, it can. Nike, all buys, 30-minute buy. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what we see on Nike, shall we? Then one. Buy stop Nike to get this out of the way. Really? You have to be in the fucking way, really. $63.62 Nike buy stop. Buy stop Nike to $68 buy stop. Nike buy stop until $87 Nike buy stop. Unfortunately, we have to get past this daily sell. This is really bad news for Nike. Nike sell to $52. Nike sell already hit its blue line on the weekly. Monthly, 3 monthly. I love this 3 monthly Nike buy. I love the 6 month Nike buy. I absolutely adore the 12-month Nike buy. This is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Nike buy stop 30-minute only, $68 take profit. $75, $80, $85, $90, $95, $100, $110. I love the $120 take profit Nike. As a matter of factly, it's going past 180, and that is Nike. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Target. Let's whip through it. Can my system magically read Target without error? I believe it can. Let's see. Gold. Let's go back to the gold signal is being engaged. You can see that or not in certain chart. Let's see what gold is doing. Gee, I wonder. We'll come back to Target. Let's go over to gold and see. Gold is right here. Gold. Silver. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. Gold hit its 1 minute blue line. Silver, take profit one, $34.37. Take profit two, silver, $34.42. Silver and gold, one is old and one is not. Silver and gold. 5 minute buy stop, gold, take profit. It'll hit this, Lord willing, $3,361.86, even down to the cents, I call it, which kind of drives Kim nuts. I try to do better with that. $34.51 for silver. Silver and gold, and that is your silver and gold. Let's go back to the one we were actually trading. That was Target. Target. Let's see if anything has been called out on Target correctly. Yeah, everything. Let's see what we're doing here. There seems to be a difference between our 30-second and 1 minute. Yep. 1 minute sell it's showing. Let's go down to the 1 minute and see what we shall see. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Negative 30-second. Nope. Nope. Not calling a sell because there never is a sell on Target until further notice. Target is a permanent buy, just as Nike is, just as Ethereum is. Permanent buy for XRP and Bitcoin. Permanent buy for gold and silver until further notice. Permanent buy for ES1. It's in the game. SPX, NQ1, NAS, YM1, US30 are all permanent buys until further notice. I'll let you know when there's a sell coming when the daily flips. Until then, only trade buy stops. I'm already increasing your probability win rate by 100% by eliminating one. Well, 50. I have no idea. If anybody knows math, tell me if I take away one, if that's 50% increase or 100%. Whichever. It's a fucking great increase. Never do a sell on Target. So let's go up to Target and see. I'm going to call a sell for you. After I just said never. Target daily sell, daily to the weekly line, blah, blah, blah. We don't give a shit about that. 3 month buy target, 6 month buy target. You're going to be able to play 30-minute buy stops. Listen to me and listen to me clearly. You're going to be able to play. Let me be clear on this. Some of you don't think I speak clearly. Let me be clear on this. Play for the next 2 fucking years plus any 30-minute buy stops on you. Let's stick with these symbols. Nike, Target. Hold on. Nike, Target, CVS, Estee Lauder. I'm telling you trades that you can do for years for free. So fuck off, all you haters and all you little scammers out there who aren't buying my system. I'm giving you these for free. Take advantage of these. And there's more. Play for the next 2 years plus. Can that be any clearer? Any buy stop. If you don't know what it is, buy my damn system and don't be a cheap ass. Don't be a scumbag. Don't have karma come back on you and haunt you for the rest of your fucking life for ill-gotten gains because you didn't buy my system and support it. There you go. 2 years, 3 years. For the next 2 to 3 years, you'll be able to make money on these calls I'm making for you. Name another trader that's telling you what's going to happen 2 to 3 years before it happens, as it happens. I'm telling you to take any 30-minute buy stop, of course, demo only. For the net, my sevens, if I'm clear on this, 1 minute and turn green. Thank you, Lazarus. Thank you, Lazarus. Well, they were. For 1 second, all green. Thank you, Guy Romero. Thank you, Larry Cooper. Thank you, Lazarus. All right, let's go over there and see what's going on. But I want you all to be clear. When I call out these trades for you, for the love of God, I'm giving you free money. There you go. Okay, now we have the 1 seconds done. Thank you, guys. Perfect. Now. We're going to have to sit here and watch paint dry. Sorry, peeps. We're going to have to. We have to see when these flip to 1 second. Come on. Come on, little buddies. You can do it. We just need 3 out of the 5 to flip. Doesn't have to be US 30. Any 3 out of 5. We just need 3 out of the 5 right here to do that. Dang it. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on, little buddy. Any 3 out of 5. Any 3 out of 5. Come to Papa. Come on. Let's see it go. 15-minute buy stop. All indices. Oh, come on. Don't require. Once they flip the green, Keith, they have to stay green, I think. So we have to have them stay green. My one. Well, they were. Larry. Fletch, EA, Bob. What's up, Super Z? Come on. We got to wait. We got to be patient. I am not patient. We got to let one. Well, here, let me write this out. We need any version of this, by the way. We need one. Wait. Why is that red? We need one. Buy stop to the blue line. 2. Oh, what on earth is going on? Where is my Drawley tool? We need 1, 2, 3. And all these need to stay green. God dang it. Come on, peeps. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, all indices. Let's will this into existence. Come on. Damn, US 30. Fuck. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30. Buy stop to the 1-second blue line, US 30. This is more me trying to force the situation. We'll see how that goes. Come on. All 5 of the 5 seconds are filling the gaps. Nice crash. They don't have to stay green. That could be dangerous, Keith. We might want to make that a prerequisite. We might have to make that an order of operations, a rule, because I don't want to get stuck. Well, if we're including US 30, they'd have to stay green for US 30, right? My one heart desire. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why. Oh, they're turning red. Son of a fuck. I ain't got time for this. Come on, peeps. Turn back to green. It'll happen at open. Now, it's going to happen quick at open. I don't know how the thing's going to react when it happens super quick. For US 30, yes. Okay. Well, god dang it. Tell me again when they turn. Let's go back to boring old target. All right. Target. Buy stop. My one. Follow it down. Rule number 7. Take profit for target. Look at how gorgeous. I love this trade. I love this target trade. I need to get back to some options. All right. Target, buy stop, take profit 1, 105, take profit 2, 110, 115, 120, 125. Do I hear 130? I hear 130. Do I hear 135? 135. Going. I hear 135. Do I hear target price 140, 140, 145? I hear target price 145, 150, 150, 155. I hear target price 155. Do I hear target price take profit 170? I do. Take profit 170 on target. Then it will go eventually past 270. And you're welcome, and that is for target. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Isn't the system amazing? Telling you and showing you. Thank you. Yes. Yes, Bob, I agree with that statement. But not the previous time frame. The flip all red. Oh, so now we're screwed again? See, now they got to go back to green, I think, is what Keith's saying. Good work, Reeve. Yes, outstanding work. That is Target. Let's go to J&J, another one of my faves. I love this. I love it. Monthly, 3 monthly. This will move faster than the previous two. Johnson and Johnson, just love this trade. Love, 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 love this trade. Love this trade. Do da da do da da dee da do. Love this Johnson Johnson trade. Take profit, whatever. 158, take profit. 160, take profit. 163, take profit. Johnson and Johnson. 167, take profit. 170, Johnson. I love the one take profit. I love them all. That rules them all is 170 for Johnson and Johnson, and then over 200 for Johnson and Johnson. Ding dong, babies. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. You can take any buy stop, 30-minute demo buy stop for the next 2 fucking years on Nike, Target, CVS. Hey, where's Johnson & Johnson? Yeah, baby. J&J, baby. J&J, baby. Love all of these. Yeah, baby. I don't know any other trader that goes down to the 1 second and trades 1 second trades with you. Then I don't know any other trader that tells you what's going to happen over the next 2 fucking years on stocks. Anybody out there know a trader like that? No. No. There's one and only because of God, and I thank God and give God all the credit for it. There you go. You can take any 30-minute buy stop over the next several years on any one of these trades. It will go up. That's what it's going to do. This isn't a matter of if it's a matter of when. Be patient, take the 30-minute buys. Hope I'm clear on that subject. I'll fill in the gaps on the 5 seconds. Kev. Oh, someone's yelling at me. Let's see. Okay, we're back to the 1 second. Fill in the gap buy stops for the 5 seconds. Come on, Keith. Now, Keith, this is going to send us a signal, right? Keith, this is going to send us a signal. When this goes to the 5 seconds, 3 out of 5, we're going to get a signal. No pressure on Keith, by the way. He's over there. Oh, my God, I hope this shit works. Keith. There's only hundreds of people counting on this, Keith. No pressure. Is the 15-minute buy stop and only still a call for you? Absolutely it is. It's right up on the screen. You can't possibly miss it. Whatever this is saying right here, this is what I'm calling. This is me in a bottle. 100% me in a bottle. Oh, we got 2. Keith, if a third one turns green, do we get it? Do we get the signal, Keith? I'm going to my email. Keith, will I get an email? Oh, they fucking turn it. Buy stop. All indices, all 6 indices to the 5 second blue line. Don't make me throw in YM on this coding. I will if we have to. Come on. Come to Papa. Come. It's that. Come on. Come. Zip. Look, go to that line. Go to that line. Where's NAS? I bet you 1,000,000 to 1 SPX got to be close. Damn. How is NAS and SPX above the 5 second? It was not. It was SPX. Ooh. SPX might hit its 5 second blue line first. Hold on. Why is this doing this shit? Let me go over here. Hold on a second. My one desire. Tell me why looks like silver and one is making money and one is again. Silver and gold. Silver in the money. 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 Yay. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Yep. Silver. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Tell me why. Got to make money all over, guys. Can't just stay in one spot. Oh, this is gorgeous. SPX buy stop to the. It's real too. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. US 30, buy stop to the 5-second. Let's print up some alerts for this shit. This will get these things falling. But it loves my alerts. Come on, get to that 5-second blue line. Now these are legitimate buy stops. You saw them form. Come, peeps. Everyone, let's will this up to the 5-second blue line so we can see the dang gone alerts. Buy stop YM, buy stop 5. Oh, yeah, gorgeous buy stop. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Gorgeous NAS. Gorgeous Ricochet. Gorgeous NQ1. I love these are your best, by the way. NQ1 and NAS are the best out of the group. Look at that. Easy money. There's silver. Silver. Everyone sing along with me. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Look at this. Look at this shit. Let's go over to silver and gold. There we go. More money, free money giveaway. Buy this system. Hello, we don't just make money on our indices. We make money on every fucking symbol. Buy the system, 575. Yep, one left. I'll have to update that soon. Start learning the safe trade system. Learn about it over there. TheSafeTrade.com is where you buy it. TheSafetyTrade.com. Look at that. We're making money on silver. We're making money on gold. We're making money on silver and gold. Boom, baby. To the 15th. Let's see the 30-second. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line silver. See, we're going to have a silver and gold safety trade system and a gold and silver pot. You're going to see it in action. See it right here. Silver and gold going up before your very eyes. Everyone loves to make money, but no one has the balls to do it. No, that's not true. You buy, you trade. Buy stop XRP. Buy stop gold. Buy stop silver. Buy stop crossing again. Oh, look at silver to the 30-second blue line. Who's making money nonstop? Who's making money nonstop? Look at it go, silver and gold. Everyone else is thinking sell stop, not I, says the guy. Silver crossing $34. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. What? YM still below its 1 second, though. By all 15-second guess, 5 seconds, all things keep watching and waiting. Hey, while we're watching and waiting, let's make money on silver. What do you guys think? Silver and gold. Look at silver go up. Told you. Easy peasy. System works on everything. Keith, can we get done today? No, but soon, the next couple days, the gold and silver edition of the safety trade system. That's what I'm going to talk about. Uh, and the crypto edition of the safe trade system. We need to get those done and out. We need to finish up this tank on indicator too, though. But I think we're going to finish it, submit it out to everybody, and be done. I'm going to go up. Gold making money. See down here? Gold making money. Silver and gold both making money. Silver and gold all profit. Silver and gold all profit. Going up is called yet again. Not just the indices. It's not just Bitcoin. It's not just XRP. It's not just Ethereum. It's silver and gold. Silver and gold too. Silver and gold also. Silver and gold also making money for you guys. Ding, 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 ding. Silver and gold. Now, let's go back to the fund that everyone's waiting on anticipation. We're just watching hot water boil and it's never going to boil. That's what we're seeing right here. Come on, peeps, go, 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 go. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. Wait, not from the bottom. No. Wait. YM1 crossing, baby. YM1 crossing, baby. Look at it go. Look at it go. Let's see what silver and gold. YM1 crossing. Let's go to YM1 and see what we got. True that, but we want it higher. Come on, silver and gold. Nope, not good enough. We need it up higher. YM1, buy stop to the 5-second blue line. US 30, buy stop to the 5-second blue line. Come on, everybody. There's hundreds of us at this point. NAS, I just have a feeling it's going to pull in those damn buy stops again. There's a 1-minute sell stop to the blue line. Let's just sit here unless I get some more dings down there. SPX, buy stop to the blue line. Oh, come, my lady. Yep, see, I knew it. We might have to wait till market open for this to occur. How much longer? About 20 minutes. 20 minutes to market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to play market open, make sure you go fast and furiously in and out. Don't fuck around. You have to get in and out quickly. Silver and looking like a 1 minute to the blue line. Yep. There is a 2-minute 45-second sell stop on the 6 minutes. Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, it'll go up. Just be patient. Whether it's now, whether it's at 2:30, we'll get some version of this. Come on. All right. What was I calling out? We were calling out J&J. Yeah, J&J. I just finished it. So that's J&J. Buys across the board. I am not a financial CVS, babies. Let's see how my system's calling CVS. Sell to the 1 minute blue line. Let's see what it looks like. Sell to the 1 minute blue line, CVS, take profit $63.46. Then there's a 3-minute buy. Then there's a 5-minute buy, but we're not going to play shit around with those. We're going way up here. Ooh, job. Daily buy stop, CVS. This might be the best trade of all. This is a buy stop to the daily blue line. Holy fucking shit. CVS. Oh, we need some options. Can I get back on my options? Are they fucking killing? Buy stop, $65.81, CVS. CVS, buy stop, $67.72. I love that 67. Where's it at right now? I love this trade. Up $4, $5 a share, something like that. CVS, $71. I love this daily buy stop. Let me see the weekly really quick. Ah, gosh, dang, fuck. It's a sell to the weekly. Can we skip it? Yeah, I'm taking that daily. That daily's worth a while. That's a fantastic daily. Daily buy stop, weekly sell. I'm going to skip that. 3-month buy stop. It's going to take a minute. But 3-month buy stop, CVS. Next take profit, $76. I love the take profit of $85 on CVS. I love it going above 110. 3-month, 6-month buy stop CVS. 3-month, 6-month buy stop CVS. 12-month buy stop CVS. Love these trades. It's going to take a long time to develop, but not that daily. That daily, we hit it twice. I didn't see the ricochet right here, but it's going to do it again. I love this trade. Let me see real quick here again. Oh, fuck. Can I get past that? Can I get past a buy on the weekly? Let me see the 3 weekly. Nope, that's a sell. Fuck. All right, I'm going to have to call this because it's official. This is a daily, weekly sell stop. I'm sorry, a weekly, 3 weekly sell stop. Take profit $63. Take profit $50. Take profit $45. CVS. I'm going to skip that. I will not be trading that myself. I never trade a sell on this one. This is only going to be a buy. Play any 30-minute buy stop on CVS until further notice. It's absolutely gorgeous. I would absolutely take that trade. Yep, CVS is on that list. By the way, hold on a second. Hold on. Let me go over here, grab my thing. We'll get right back to the indices in just a second. Let me grab this right here. Silver and bell. Silver and gold. Where is my downloads? 30 minutes. Silver and gold. All right, there we go. Let's pull that off of there. All right, that's CVS. Let's go back to silver and gold. Oh, yep, it's going to pop right back up. Fill in the gap, buy, stop, silver, back to the blue line, $34.43. Love the trade. Let me see if we can go to the 1 minute now. Oh, yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous. 43, whatever that is. Gorgeous trade. Gorgeous trade. Yep, to the 1 minute. Love the 1 minute. We're going to call it up to here too. $34.45. Sure, silver, buy, stop. Love the trade. Now let's go back over to here. Spaghetti-O. ES1, buy, stop to the 5-second blue line. SPX1, buy, stop to the 5-second blue line. NQ1, buy, stop to the 5-second blue line. NAS, 5-second blue line. ES1 to the 5-second blue line. Touchdown. Ding, 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 dong, dong, dong. Ding, ding, dong, dong. Dong, dong, dong. Ding, ding, ding. There you go. Buy stop ES1 to the blue line. SPX1 to the 5-second touchdown, touchdown. NQ1 to the as called out as I didn't say this. YM1 5-second buy stop to the blue line. US 30 5-second buy stop to the blue line. Listen to those alerts. Listen to money talk. Money talk. Look at it go up before your very eyes. No, look. We have the alert, Keith. I have the alert. Alert, SPS, NQ1. I don't think I have the alert, Keith. Yeah, the five just did it. Keith, check it. Check. See if you got the alert, Keith. Alert, SPX crossing. Alert, NQ1 crossing. SPS51 crossing. Alert, ES1 crossing. It did it. Is this what this is? ES 5-second. Wait, what's this, Keith? What am I looking at? Keith, what does this mean? Keith. What does this mean? When did this come out? ES1. So it called ES1. Seems like it should have called where are my things down? Which one's the blue? Which one? Dot. Which one was hold on. Wait, which one required I'm on the wrong one. Fuck. This one. This one. This is the one. Sorry, Keith, that's on the wrong one. What is this? And wait, start and where was the call? Keith, where was the call? Oh, look at them all go. Uh, Keith, where's the call? Look, this one requires. This one requires US 30. Okay, this one does not. This one should have a call. The end happened, but there's the beginning. There's the end. There's the beginning. There's the end. Where is the? Oh my goodness, I don't see the phone. Oh no, where is it at? Let me see. I'm in the wrong thing. Let me pull this down. Salted hydrogen water. Yeah, that's actually really good. Kept in a bottle, hydrogen water. Sitting on pins and needles. I think it did it, Keith. It should, but it didn't call it. Come on, US 30. Looking like a 1 minute blue line. Yeah, Keith. I don't know. It didn't show him a thing. Alert, YM crossing. Those are my alerts. Damn, son of beeswax. Well, we made money. Let's not even complain. We made the right call. I don't know how to read this. So evidently, somewhere in between here and here, the start and the finish, it did flip. It's doing it again. It's gonna flip again. Oh, it's good. It's good. NAS, go to NAS. Whoa, NAS. 5-second NAS, 5-second NAS. No, US 30. 1 second. Stay right here. 5 second. Well, NAS. Yeah, NAS is the correct call. We should have a call. YM crossing. Call. This is it. This is gotta be it. This is with the US 30 in it. This is it right here. US 30. This is good. This is good feedback for Keith. He'll now know this is what it is. This is perfect. This is perfect. This is happening live. This is great. So yeah, we have the US 30 required and not required. Look, 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 look. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. Now let's see if we see it. It has to be firing. I don't know what it can be doing. Not sure what time frame you're on. I only see the start, no end yet. It's still monitoring trades. Alert just fired. It had to fire with or without. There it is. Touchdown. Whatever it was, it worked. System worked flawlessly. We're there. It is. There's the fill in. There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. Keith. Remember this trade. That's why. Yes. There we go. This is perfect. I'm only trading. I only put it on US 30. Keith, you can have it a rule that they only trade on US 30. That this is US 30. Yeah, mine is showing US 30 start and finish. It re-engaged again, so it started again. Oh, that's nice. That's beautiful. So did a signal go out? I did not receive an email alert, Keith, on my end. So something I have set up wrong then. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Buy stop all indices to the 30-second blue line. That was gorgeous. And it should do it again on the 10-second, right, Keith? Yeah, I didn't have that. I don't have that alert. Let me see if I have it over here. Nope, I don't have it here either. So I must not have something turned correctly. Silver in the money. Keith, will this also call for 10? There it is. 10-second NAS. 10-second NAS should be called. Keith, is a 10-second NAS being called? Keith, is a 10-second and an NQ1 call being made? 10-second NAS, NQ1 should be made. Regardless of US 30, this is a buy stop. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. We're in the, what time is it? We're in the money on all the 10 seconds. That was gorgeous. Now, 15, so there it is. All 15 seconds. We should be able to gather information on the 5-second, on the 10-second. There it is. You're seeing the system ride, baby. You're seeing the system, regardless of the alerts going out. We need to update. We need to finish this. We need to send this out to everybody. We can add in the alerts later. They're all done. This is it. That's all I need to see was that it will show this, that it's showing the NAS going late. They had every opportunity to get into that 5-second. They had every opportunity to get into 10-second. Regardless if the signal went out, I don't care. This is perfection. That is it. That is it. That is that. What you guys are witnessing is a historic test run. Is it a historic test? Okay, Keith, I got an alert. US 30 alert was triggered. It was entirely too late. That would have not. We have to figure that out on that one. And I don't know why it was US 30. It shouldn't have been a US 30 alert. It was an actual NAS and NQ alert on that. We saw it live. So whatever that was just perfection. Whatever that just was, the 5-second, the 1-second flip, you saw the NQ and NAS stay on the 5-second. You saw US 30 SPX ES1 flip on the 10-second, and it gave us the free NQ1 and NAS on the 10-second. That was fantastic job, Keith. Fantastic job, Keith. You guys are all witnessing history because of the great Keith Palmer. Fantastic job on the system. Wow, we are just flawed. This is unbelievable. If you guys do not have the system yet, please buy the system. Oh my God, you want to get consistent trades. You're witnessing history right here. And I'm really excited because this is part of the robot, peeps. This is an essential part of the robot. Wow. Again, I don't know why it's saying US 30 alert was triggered on an Uno reverse. That makes no sense to me, Keith. That's a zero logic. We have to put on what that alert was. We'll have to figure out why it's not saying NAS and NQ1 5-second. That's what should have been called on both. And that should have been called on the 10-second also. That's awesome, Keith. Awesome. All right. Market open in just a few seconds. Keith, me and you will hop on if you can. I'll call you in just a few seconds. One is sugar, one is gold. Great job, Keith. You guys are witnessing history in the making right there. That is exactly what you want the Uno reverse to do. That's exactly what you didn't see it go down. You saw nothing but profit. You saw nothing but profit for NAS. I don't even think there was a drawdown at all on NQ1. Those are 5-second, 10-second reverses. Easy money. Easy, 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 easy money. Wow, that was historic, Keith. That was amazing. Remember, demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Wow. That's what you wanted to see, and you saw it live, everybody. Good morning, Lazarus, Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, Ray. Good morning, Luke. Good morning, Joe Bigas, Super Z. It's my time. It's my time. I can't resist it. Good morning, D Nice, Annie Apple, Goo Baru. Oh, sorry, Goo. Geo Baru. Good morning, The Griffey. Good morning, Safety Crash 7. Good morning, User 1570. Good morning. That concerns me with Safety Crash 7 name. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Louise. There we go. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Earth to Kevin and Keith, we have liftoff. Good morning, John Menike. What's up, John? You have a different account. I thought he was Menike and Co. Good morning, everybody. This you just missed it. If you oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I don't know if we're gonna get another call out for US 30 to a 10-second buy stop. I'm gonna be watching US 30 at market open. If it doesn't change, we have about 4 minutes to market open. Do not trade market open. We're looking for 10-second buy stops on all indices, especially SPX and US 30. Yep, this is gorgeous. Drop, drop, drop. Look at the pullback. Yep, this is amazing. What you guys are with, if you knew what you're seeing over here in this little box right here, you guys would be on the ground thanking God. Because what you're witnessing is exactly how I trade. That's what you're witnessing. It is absolutely crazy what you're seeing. It's just amazing. Silver and metals, silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. There we go. All right. Let all these turn red again. Hey, Keith is going to fire again. 10-second buy stop, all indices, especially US 30 and ES1. Matter of factly, especially NAS. NAS is probably your best one. I just saw that. Let me see. It is. Buy stop back here. Let's go ahead and put some more cha-chings in. Cha-ching, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da, cha-ching, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da, cha-ching, 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 da-da-da-da-da-da. We should be able to see the 10 seconds go off again on an alert. I don't know. Maybe that's what I'm hoping for. Here we go. Do not trade market open. Demo trade only. Lock in profits. I can't show you my account because I can't get into my account. I'm going to have to contact Hugo Away and figure out what's going on because they got a lot of money over there and they're not fucking around with it. But anywho, and I have my login. I know I have my password. I took a picture of it, but it still won't let me. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Market open in 3 minutes. Medicaid's company on my YouTube. Oh, okay. Got you, Medicaid. And then I got the end, so it's waiting for another flip now. I got 2 alerts, 5-second. But what symbol was it alerting you to, Keith? I have an alert and it said US 30. Is that because my system was set on US 30? I don't know. We're going to need to reevaluate that one. And no, it shouldn't need to reset. It should still call out the 10-second and the 15-second until all 30 seconds turn green again. You see what I'm saying, Keith? I want it to keep calling the 5-second, the 10-second, the 15-second, and the 30-second until the 30-second turns green again. Then that should be the completion of it. Once, I don't know, did all 30 seconds, did the 30 seconds all turn green? Maybe they did. I don't know. Da 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 da. Buy stop, all indices at open. Buy stop. I'm not going to do any sells. I'm not even calling a sell. I wish it would be. NAS 100. Call. crossing. NAS 100, NQ1 in the money. US 30, you still have time. US 30, buy stop. US 30, buy stop. US 30, buy stop. US 30, buy stop. Woo. There we go. There we go. Uno reverse. Uno reverse. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, US 30. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line, SPX and PS1. NAS 100 crossing. N100 crossing. Do not trade market open. You're in the money before market open. Take your money out. You'll need to stay in. Market open in just a few seconds. There is a difference on those charts. I don't like why there's a difference between those two charts. That's really weird. All profit on all indices. You can close down your trades before market open. All we can hope for now is a pullback at market open. Yes, the alert will originate from the symbol you have the indicator on, but your alert text tells you which symbol fired. That's what I need to know. So you'll get an alert from US 31-second chart that will tell you the NAS is. Yep, thank you, Keith. You're the best. See how great Keith is? Da 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 da. You got to uninstall and reinstall Hugo's Way. Oh, really? I have to uninstall and reinstall Hugo's Way. Great. Market open. Market open. Let's all take profits hit. All buy stops hit. This is crazy. Look at the system go. Da 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 da. Can we get a pullback maybe? In the money on US 30. In the money on YM1. Buy stop NAS 100. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop all across the board. Everybody on the train. Come on, SB. Oh, look at SB. Buy stop in the money. Da 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 da. All called out and signaled out by us by the great Keith Palmer, the outstanding Keith Palmer, the man, the myth, and the legend, Keith Palmer. I'm in a good mood this morning. Look at it go. Fuck me. ES1 in the money, in the game, in the money. SPX 500 in the money. NQ1 in the money. NAS 100 in the money. YM1 in the money. US 30 in the money. Yep, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. If you want to finally get consistent with your trading, stop fucking around. Go over to safetytrade.com, buy the system. Simple as that. Go over to the safetytrade.com. If I can do it, my members can do it, you can do it. Buy the system, buy the system, buy the system. Wow. You can see what I am saying. Da 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 da. US 30 stopped, triggered, stopped, 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 stopped. That's not cool. Stopped, trigger, silver, stopped, trigger, stopped. I don't know, Keith. We can look at that later, I guess. I don't think mine's showing it. Mine isn't showing this. Mine is just showing my alerts, not your alerts. See? Yep. I don't see anything like that. I have a couple emails, though. I have one email. Uno reverse, baby. Da 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 da. Look at them go up. You're welcome. Thank everyone on TikTok. Silver's going up too, by the way. Silver and there it is again. Silver and Bell. Bitcoin, XRP. Let's call them out. Just make money, make money, make money, make money, make money, make money, make money. Look at it go. Told you where it's going. Told you where it's going. Told you where it's going. I told you we still have all that to go up on the daily. I told you we still have all that to go up on the weekly. I told you it's going to go up another 1,000 to 1,500 pips on US 30. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you, told you, told you. Thank you, God. All right, TikTokers. God bless you all. Talk to you all later. Everyone have a great day. I doubt I'll be on later today, but you never know. God bless. All right, YouTubers. This has been fun. And just hover over one of the alerts. Don't click it. Hover over one of the alerts. Don't click it. Hovering. Black Bull USD triggered, created, last upgraded. Yeah, see, these are my alerts. Da 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 da. We need to be cautious of this indicator. All right, guys. God bless you all. Thank you all. God bless. All right. God bless you all. Talk to y'all later. 80 of you. Nice. Good morning. Da, 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 da.